Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Drive or Google features, tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to enable or turn on Google Workspace smart features that allow you to use different Google products across your Google account, like asking AI to summarize something for you on your Google account or anywhere you are using Google for productivity. This is a kind of features you need to enable right now for boosting of your productivity in your Google Drive, Gmail, Google account, or any Google product without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Drive. After you open up your Google Drive, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and go to settings right here. Go ahead and click on settings. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on privacy right here. And then go ahead and click on manage workspace smart feature settings. Click on that. And then this is going to pump up right here. Smart features in Google Workspace. Make sure this is turned on right here, and then you can read article about it. And these are stuff you can benefit when you turn it on right here. And then you can scroll down right here and read detail, restaurant reservation and takeaway order in maps, suggested tickets, loyalty cards, and other passes in wallet, answer and remind in Google Assistant, suggestion and answer in the Gemini app, and a lot more that is going to be added by Google in the future. What you want to do right here is to come down below right here, go ahead and click on save, and then you are done. You can see your preference has been saved. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Google products and services like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.